Yes, let's get into the seasoning. I got some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning. If you don't have my all-purpose seasoning, you could use onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, chicken bouillon. Mix that all together, and don't forget to get my spicy marinade. So I always recommend my spicy marinade because it has all the ingredient that you need for your food, like thyme, rosemary, onion, garlic, ginger. Everything is fresh. All the spices are fresh. All the herbs are fresh. So you can't go wrong. The experience you give your customers should always be the best. That will have them coming back. Treat people the way you want to be treated. That's what I believe. So I always give my customers the best. Absolutely the best.